This is an incredible event that Rachel hosts several years now. Certainly since I've been dean, she's hosted the event. And having her at the event in her home, I think it makes it very special for the students to get to meet other women lawyers. It's an incredible opportunity for our women law students to connect with other women who are practicing law in the community.
So I was on my way home from a McAfee Taft Women's Initiative event that was just for the firm. And I started thinking about all the things that we were talking about, how we all kind of came to McAfee in different ways and what we'd experienced along the way in law school. And I thought how useful that would be to share with students who were still in law school. If you could get the impressions of women who'd been practicing for a while, who had taken different career paths, how valuable that would be as you started your own career.
So I came here last year for the first time because I had just found out that I had gotten a summer internship at McAfee. So I wanted to get to know some of the attorneys. I also wanted to meet attorneys in general who are women in the legal field and learn from them. Learn about work-life balance, learn how they do it, how they're successful, and how they can still raise a family and have somewhat of a life outside of the legal field. Because as I've learned, it's kind of all-consuming sometimes, so I wanted to learn from them.
When you talk about off the record, I want to know what it's going to be like for me as a woman going into a new profession, a second career for me. So this was really important to be able to ask those questions that you can't ask during an interview. It's different being 25. I remember being 25 and eager and starting my first career. That's not the point right now. Right now the case is I'm starting a second career and I want to know how I'm going to be welcomed into the legal world and the legal field.
You know, what I think makes this event unique, special, is it's an opportunity to talk to young law students, to women, and let them ask any questions they want. It's a no judgment zone, and so they get to ask, any questions they want, and we try and give them as honest answers as we can. Sometimes the questions are difficult, sometimes they're very simple, but a lot of it is just asking questions about what they don't know.
Mainly on how, to be comfortable as a woman and still be assertive, and kind of learning that balance of being assertive yet feminine and being strong and comfortable and confident and all of those good things. And then also being able to use those strengths of a woman going forward in the job market. I think men and women have different strengths, and I want to be able to use my strengths as a woman to help myself. I don't want to have to, change who I am for my job.
I don't know of any other event that really brings together the in-house counsels, the judges, nonprofits, and your typical law firm attorney in such a wonderful setting like this, and very, promoting not just the female student, but just your work-life balance issues. So that's why I think it's really unique. I don't know of any other event like this.